Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on expanding binomial products worksheets. So this video presents two worksheets on the topic of expanding binomial products. We've had a lesson on this very topic, so if you're not sure how to proceed, on the last slide there is a link. If you click on the link, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all the examples. I'll leave this particular slide on for 1 minute, but you can pause it for as long as you like. After 1 minute, I will move on to the second slide. Okay, I'll move on to the next slide now. So here is the next slide, which is a little bit more involved, but if you just follow the process, you can't go wrong. So again, I'll leave this on for 1 minute, this particular slide, but you can pause it for as long as you like. Okay, here's the last slide now, and you can click on that link if you like, if you need any help in doing the worksheet.